Unleashing the power of ChatGPT4. Discover the world's first all-in-one business-boosting AI platform with 200-plus premium tools for newbies and experts alike. Imagine the time and effort you'll save by having all the essential AI tools at your fingertips. Say hello to the game-changing solution, a comprehensive dashboard that brings together 200-plus AI tools under one roof. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock the full potential of your business. AI Ninja Kit, the world's first ChatGPT4 powered, never-seen-before tech and complete newbie-friendly technology that comes loaded with 200-plus premium business-boosting AI tools to create and sell amazing content, images, videos, and more. For any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience, get 200-plus business-boosting AI tools for the price of one. Create descriptions for products that rank on the first page of the search results. Write engaging product titles that will make your product stand out in a sea of competition. Build notification messages for your apps, websites, and mobile devices that keep users coming back for more. Create an enticing article that captures the attention of your audience. Rephrase your content in a different voice and style to appeal to different readers. Create professional-looking emails with enticing subject lines that help you engage leads and customers. Creating ads with unique and appealing titles that entice people to click on your ad and make a purchase. Create 100-plus passive income streams without spending a dime. Completely automate your business and take industry by the storm. Each tool crafted with utmost perfection by industry experts. Stop paying huge fees monthly to expensive third-party apps. Don't miss out on this unprecedented opportunity. Embrace the power of AI and unlock endless possibilities for your business today. Visit the link in the description box now to see how easy it is to use AI Ninja Kit.